So guys, I'm done with my own skirt and I made a total of 50 rounds for this ruffle part, and it's a total of 45 inches. That's the full length, 45 inches for 50 rounds of this. Okay, so next we are going over to the waist and we are switching back to 4.4 mm, rather you're switching back to 4 mm. So at this point you can decide to attach your yarn at any point. So I'm just using this place, then I'll make a slip knot, connect with a slip stitch, chain one and make a single crochet in there, make one single crochet in the next space, make one single crochet to the next space, continue making one single crochet until you go around and come back to the end of the round. At the end of the round, I'll make a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain one, tighten, chain one again, tighten, and cut the yarn. Next, I'm going to be introducing this elastic band or elastic thread. So this is just it. So make a slip knot, then I'll connect it. So I'll go on and work a slip stitch all the way round. I'm at the end of the round and this is how elastic it is. I'll go over to the second round just like this. Then I will work my way round again. End of the second round, I will just find my way up to this part. Then I will go ahead and chain one, then cut the thread, pull it out, tie a knot twice or thrice, just make sure it's secured. So if you don't have this thread, you can buy it in a tailor shop or a crochet shop, or you can make a strap and put it if you wish. Okay, but this is how I did mine and I feel it's comfortable. So you can go ahead and add few more rows of this if you wish. You can add to this point. You can just leave it the way it is because of the weight of the skirt, so you can go ahead and add more, but I feel like this too is okay. This is my first time making this, just like I said earlier, so I just exploring my options since I've not worked on this project before. We'll go ahead and clean up our work, get rid of any tail that is not needed, and that is all for today's tutorial. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love to see your results, so please feel free to share it with me on any social media platform at Glossy Woolwears. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed, like this video and share with your crochet friends. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't get missed out on any of my amazing tutorials. Bye for now. See you in my next video.